Hindu editorial that I am going to say is dealing with deluge. As floods swamp Hyderabad, the focus is on inadequacy of drainage infrastructure. A deep monsoon depression over the West Cultural Bay of Bengal, which weakened as it moved over Telangana, resulted in downpours over several districts in the state, severely affecting the city of Hyderabad as well on October 13th. On October 13, the monthly average rainfall of Hyderabad for October 10th, 103.6 millimeters according to SkyMeet, were surpassed on a single day when 192 millimeters of rainfall fell. According to the India Meteorological Department, this is the highest rainfall for the October recorded in Telangana's capital since 1903. Such a highest intensity downpour in a short span is bounded to affect a densely populated urban area, and Hyderabad was no exception. At least 24 people were killed and several localities submerged and isolated following incessant rains and overflowing of the city lakes. Other districts were badly affected. Two roads damages and irrigation tanks breached. The monsoon storm that never became a cyclone has managed to cross the East Andhra Pradesh and West Coast North Karnataka and Maharashtra of India. This is a rare and rain-related disaster, even that is difficult to plan for. Floods and deluges, like any other disaster, disproportionately affect the poor. Disaster management agencies. Agencies have managed to limit impact of the disaster, as may those marooned in submerged areas and flooded houses were rescued, but the extent of the damage and the turmoil show a lack of preparation and disaster mitigation, a problem that plagues most urban centers in the country. Much of the damage was due to the overflowing of lakes, in particular in the Hussain Sagar Lake in the middle of the city, and the breaching of storm water drains. Construction over lake beds and encroachments of drainage channels have been identified as problems that have exacerbated flooding and inundation in the city in the past. The Deluge in August 2000, for example. But the little that has been done to unblock existing storms drains over the last decade has not been enough to handle the requirements of the city, which still depends upon an antiquated sewerage and drainage system. Hyderabad urgently needs to expand and remodel its drainage system. Besides lakes and canals, wetlands and watersheds play a vital role in absorbing excess rainfall, but regrettably, rapid urbanization in the twin cities has resulted in the loss of a large portion of the wetlands. And this is our today's editorial. Thank you.